Right. Sometimes we get issues with recorders and we get a message like invalid encryption key. I've got myself a new M series, M2 series HIKVision recorder on here, and I'm just about to log in, and I'm going to show you the error, and we're going to show you how to get rid of it. So what happens is you click on the camera to view the camera on the web page. You've installed the plugin, and you get invalid encryption key up there. Previously, there's been some areas where you can go and have a look under here, and there's a stream key. It's not that one there, it's a different one. But what we're looking for is under system configuration, network configuration, and HIG Connect. We've already enabled HIG Connect, and if I was to disable that, it'll save it automatically, and I go back to live view, and I can immediately go and have a look at all the cameras with no issue at all. Let's go back and put that back to normal again. Let's go back and enable HIG Connect. Just let it refresh itself. It'll go and connect online, and eventually it will do that there. And that's the cloud account being activated. Let's go back to system configuration, network configuration, HIG Connect. And this time I don't have to disable it. I can go over to more configurations and disable the stream encryption. And it says there, will not be encrypted. It's just warning you it's not going to be encrypted. So we have to press save. And at this point, I can now go back to the live view, press the quick view, and I can see all the images. And that's how you get rid of the stream encryption error. Thank you very much.